Welcome to Knowledge Base. In this video, we are going to be looking at the simple pendulum. And we have a simple question here that says, the period of a simple pendulum is 2.5 seconds. What must be the length of the pendulum? Take G equals to 10 meters per second squared. We are given the period T of a simple pendulum to be 2.5 seconds. And we are to calculate the length of the pendulum. The period of a simple pendulum is the time it takes the pendulum to complete one oscillation, and it has a formula. The formula for the period is given as T equals to 2 pi square root L all over G. We are to look for the length L, given the period T as 2.5 seconds. To obtain L, we are going to square both sides of the equation to take away the square root from the right-hand side. This is what it becomes. T squared is equals to 2 pi square root L all over G, all squared. And from here, we can say that T squared is equals to 2 squared will give us 4. Pi raised to power 2 gives us pi squared. Then the square root here, we cancel out the square and we'll be left with L all over G. To obtain L, we are going to cross multiply. And if we do that, 4 pi square L will be equals to G times T squared. That is G T squared. To make L the subject of the formula, because we are looking for the length, we are going to divide both sides of the equation by 4 pi squared. And when we do that, the 4 pi squared will cancel out this and we'll be left with L. So that L will be equals to G T squared all over 4 pi squared. From here, we can substitute our values to obtain L. G is acceleration due to gravity given as 10. So if we put the values, we have that L will be equals to 10 for G times 2.5 for the period T given in the question. Then you square that divided by 4 pi squared. This becomes 10 times 2.5 squared. In your calculator will give you 62.5 divided by 4 pi squared in the calculator will give us 39.478. This is an approximate value. And when you do this simple division, you are going to obtain 1.58 meters as the length of the simple pendulum. So the length of the pendulum we are calculating for is 1.58 meters. It is very, very simple, and I know you enjoyed this video. I'm going to give you a simple one to do, but before I drop that, I want to let you know that I have a YouTube channel, and the link to the YouTube channel is in the video description and also in the comment section of this video. Do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you are watching my video for the first time, please do well to follow our page, like, share, and drop your comments on this video. I will be in the comment section. Now, see the simple question for you to do. The length of a simple pendulum is 2 meters. What is the frequency of oscillation of the pendulum? Take G equals to 10 meters per second square. It is a very simple question. There is a hint here that says the frequency you are looking for is equals to 1 divided by the period. So if you want to solve this, you start by calculating the period of the simple pendulum and then taking the inverse of the period, and it will give you the frequency. The unit of frequency is hertz, so you can add that to your answer. And when you've got the answer, please put it in the comments section and I will be there waiting for you. Once again, thank you for watching this video.